Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today I have for you the Holley iNTECH cold air intake system. This system has a unique slip and seal design, which means that the housing, filter, and tube eliminate the use of hose clamps, officially making this system one of the easiest to install on your 2010 to 2015 Camaro SS. Do not fear about not having any clamps to hold everything in place. Holley put this system through a whole lot of testing prior to release to ensure that there would be no issues with their patented design. The rotoform box and elbow give a factory-like finish while providing the maximum amount of airflow through their washable and reusable high-flow 4-layer dry filter. The flow capacity out of this intake is sure to get us some good gains in both power and efficiency. Now, like I said before, this system is going to be one of the easiest to install. Jumping right into the installation, we're going to have to open our hood and remove the factory airbox. To remove the factory box, we are going to have to remove the two 10mm nuts holding the factory box to the strut tower. Then we can disconnect the mass airflow sensor and breather hose on the side of the factory box. Now we can loosen the factory clamp holding the tube to the throttle body. With the system completely loose, we can now lift up on the unit and remove it from the engine bay. Before we can put the Holley intake in place, we will have to swap the factory mass airflow sensor. Remove the two T20 torx screws from the factory box. Then remove the sensor and install it to the intake elbow using the provided hardware. Going back together, we are going to start with the Holley intake box. This will go back in the factory location, use the factory nuts removed earlier. Now we can install the dry filter element in place, ensure that the seal fits correctly through the perimeter of the box. With the filter in place, we can now install the new silicone hose coupling along with the T-bolt clamp. Then we can install the intake elbow to the filter side first, then rotate it to fit the throttle body coupling, and then tighten the other T-bolt clamp. We can then reconnect the breather hose and the mass airflow sensor. There you have it, guys. Our Holley iNTECH cold air intake system is now in place, giving us a factory style look with improved performance characteristics. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.